Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me device with Android 14 on the board, and now I can show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode, DND mode, on this operation system. To do it, you just need to open the control panel, and here you will see Do Not Disturb. But of course, it's too easy to do. So if you don't see the Do Not Disturb mode on your control panel, you need to open the settings, then scroll down and find sounds and vibrations here. And here you will see Do Not Disturb. But here we can set up our Do Not Disturb mode. So here we can set up who can message us, who can call to us, which applications can send me messages when I'm in the DND mode. I can set up schedules, I can set up duration for quick settings, or display option for hidden notifications. So we can set it up. And then, of course, we can just enable Do Not Disturb mode when we need it, and disable when we don't. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.